Cobra Pose or Bhujangasana is a beginner's back bend that builds spinal flexibility and prepares the body for deeper back bends. Its name comes from the Sanskrit words Bhujanga, meaning serpent, and Asana, meaning pose. Cobra Pose is an essential element of sun salutations and is an alternative to practicing upward facing dog in the sun salutation sequences. In this posture, the hands are pushed into the floor to lift the head and torso while the legs stay elongated. Begin by lying face down on the floor with your legs extended behind you, spread a few inches apart. The tops of the feet should rest on the mat. Do not tuck your toes as this can crunch your spine. Place your hands under your shoulders with the fingers pointing toward the top of the mat. Hug your elbows into the sides of your body. Press down through the tops of your feet and your pubic bone. Spread your toes. Inhale as you gently lift your head and chest off the floor. Keep your pelvis on the floor. Draw your shoulders back and your heart forward. Do not crunch your neck. Keep your shoulders dropped away from your ears. Beginners and those with neck pain should keep their gaze toward the floor. Those with more flexibility can bring their gaze to the sky. Inhale as you straighten your arms, lifting your chest off the floor. Press the tops of your thighs down firmly into the floor. Do not push yourself away from the floor, forcing the back bend. Instead, allow the lift to come as a natural extension of your spine. There should be almost no weight on your hands. You should be able to lift your palms off the mat for a moment while in the pose. If your flexibility permits, you can straighten your arms all the way while maintaining the connection of the front of your pelvis and legs with the floor. Actively press your shoulder blades into your upper back. Keep your elbows hugged into your sides. Broaden across your collarbones and lift your heart. Glide the tops of your shoulders away from your ears. Distribute the length of your back bend evenly throughout your entire spine. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, exhale as you slowly lower your chest and the forehead to the mat. When done correctly, it can gradually bring flexibility and strength to the entire spine. Advanced practitioners can bend the knees and reach the head towards the toes.